Hey guys, Kat and Dan the Man here at Computers Plus, and we are welcoming you to our first Q&A. Dan, we're going to talk about our rent-to-own program, is that right?
Yes, absolutely.
Awesome. So our first question to our audience and our clientele base, is there a finance company, say I have a repair that needs to be done, or, God forbid, liquid damage that has occurred on my computer? Is there a company out there that will actually help finance the repairs if I'm short on cash?
Absolutely. That's an excellent question. And yes, there is a finance company, and that finance company is Snap. Snap will finance that repair for you. Because as we all know, liquid damage repairs could cost a couple $100.
Right.
And it's perfectly understandable. Some people may not have that.
And we can do that for Mac and PC, right?
Absolutely.
Awesome. So my other question is are there companies that we work with as far as being able to build my credit up? Like, say I want to get a nice fancy custom PC, or even start to build my credit up to, purchase that lovely home for me and my family.
Of course, yeah, absolutely, yeah. I think everybody's actually looking to rebuild their credit. So we actually have 3 of our finance companies that actually do that.
I love options.
Absolutely. And the more options, the better. And those 3 companies, 2 of them, we've actually just added between the end of last year and this year, as a matter of fact. So we got 2 new companies that we've been working with, and 1 that we've been working with for quite a while that will do that. Now that one is Acema. Acema reports to the credit bureaus and will help you actually improve your credit score and improve your credit.
And what are the other 2 that we just started?
The other 2, one is American First, and the other is First Franklin. Now, First Franklin, I believe we just added this year, correct?
We did, yes. And that actually added to being our 5th company that we work with for our rent-to-own program. So now we do work with 5 different companies to give you more variety of options. And my last question of the day is, I know that new iPhone 11 just came out, and I know that price tag is majorly expensive, something like $1,100 up to like $1,500. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's about right.
Is there a company out there, or multiple companies that we work with that will actually finance that phone for us?
There actually is a few companies. Again, there's 3 companies that we actually work with through the rent-to-own program that will actually help finance that new iPhone 11, or dare I say, that foldable Samsung phone.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I did.
That one was about $2,500.
Yeah. Prices of electronics are going up nowadays. It's astronomical.
Yeah. So the 3 companies that actually do that are Progressive, who is one of the 3 that we have been working with for quite a while. And, of course, our 2 new ones, Franklin First, or First Franklin, sorry, I stand corrected.
It's brand new, we're still working on the name.
I'll take that one. I'll own that one. And also American First is the other one.
First Franklin and American First also do actually report to the improving your credit as well.
Yes.
So that gives you an additive option for that. So that's always a bonus and everything else.
Absolutely.
And what's our address again, and how many days are we open during the week?
So we are actually open 7 days a week. Can you believe that? 7 days. Almost 365, but 7 days a week is good enough. So, 7 days a week we're open. I don't know many companies that are actually open 7 days a week anymore.
No, not too many are nowadays, especially for repairs and product service and everything else. So
that's kind of the last of a dying breed, if you will. So we are located. There's a variety of different ways you can locate us, but our actual address is 3330 Cobb Parkway, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia. We are in the Butler Creek Shopping Center, right next to Kroger, right down from Uptown Cheapskate and Guston's. And we're real easy to locate. We have our rent-to-own banner right out in front of the store. So, come on down.
Sorry about that, Dan. And so if you have any questions, you can always give us a call. And our website is computersplususa.com. Click the Rent to Own tab for more information, or just come in and ask questions about how we can help you. Look forward to seeing you soon.